Get ready to walk into this city council meeting. Something getting approved today. So I'm gonna flip out. Nah, man, we should be good. This gonna solidify a multi-million-dollar project right here. So when I be telling y'all to go in these city council meetings, these zoning meetings, y'all don't be listening. Pay attention.
Hey, Rashad.
What it do? I got you. I got the card. I got you. That's the guy from the neighborhood meeting. All right.
And lack of investment coming into it. Thank you for bringing this concept of creating micro homes in this area. And I hope it's a concept that will continue to be throughout the city of Chattanooga and Hamilton County as well. The value that it's going to bring to this area. Just overall, you've invested in Eastdale quite a lot now. And I just want to express my thanks and appreciation, even though it's on District 5 side. It's Eastdale, I claim all of it. And but in 25, that side will be included in District 9. But again, I just want to express my thanks.
Thank you.
You have a motion on the floor to move as amended. All those in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Item carries as amended.
He played professional ball overseas, and he came back. He's giving back. In fact, he's one of the kids who Troy was under Troy Rogers' leadership in the West Side. So again, I thank you. You changed your life around, and you came back and you invested like we want people to do in Chattanooga. So thank you.
Thank you, Councilwoman. Councilwoman Noel?
No report. And I would also like to say to Mr. Jennings, your mother and I.
Let's say that in the microphone. You're on.
Okay. So I would also like to say to Mr. Jennings, your mother and I went to Tennessee State together. We graduated together.
Okay.
Hi, girl. Yeah.
Thank you, Council.
let me meet y'all. So I just talked to one guy. He was like, he told me about a project he did. He put, what he say? He put 29 on a half acre. They 3 levels, 300 square feet each floor. I got to see these. You know what I'm saying? Like, he was the first one who did HBR. HBR means horizontal property regime. That's what I got. I got a horizontal property regime, which means a row of my houses, they don't necessarily have to have road frontage. So I can have houses in the front, houses in the back. That's how I got the put. So yeah, man, we just got approved. Let's go over here, man. It's a lot of movement over here. But yeah, like I'm saying, man, we got the HPR, the horizontal property regime. We got the PUD approved. Run muffler in the way. I ain't got no mic on. But look, I was in there smiling, man, because it was just a good feeling. We got it approved. Everything's everything. It's go time. When I told y'all, I be telling, look, if I say something, man, do it. Like I said, go to these city council meetings. Go to these city council meetings. I remember the first time we go to a city council meeting, it wasn't my meeting. But I got engulfed in what goes on behind these doors. So when I go for my own, I'm not nervous. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if y'all don't go, me and Quincy gonna keep going. Look, just like that, PUD approved, then we got a $10 million project. a $10 million project just by getting the pull of the crew. Let's go, man. Let's go. Hey, dog. I got two. Yes. Hey, man, I ain't skipped since I was a baby, man. I might start skipping. Hey, man. Oh, I'm gonna celebrate. I done stopped drinking, man. Oh, champagne. Some champagne.